There ain't no. Oh. Yeah. All right, bro. It's Gut Squad basketball. It's been a long time since I seen y'all. What's up? Welcome back. And shit, you got me, Mo. You got.
I'm Mario, yeah.
Gut Squad videos. Basically, we're just gonna do like a little King of the Court and shit, stuff like that.
Yeah.
I keep cursing.
All right, it's first to 10. You know, make one basket, and that's a win.
All right, hold on. We gotta introduce the people first.
All right. First, let's look at the Baltimore YN. The Baltimore YN.
Wow. Bill Trusty, Baltimore, class of 2027.
Little Rodney son.
And
He's little Rodney son, bro.
yeah, all
I saw a boss.
Zay, I don't got much to say. Just watch me hoop for real.
Oh, all right.
Kendall. I don't got much to say either. Just watching.
It's your boy Big Ben. And we dropping 0. All right. I get 0 playtime. That's not what you do.
Like and subscribe. Let's get to it. All right, first game we gonna have.
I got it. Let me go first.
Got Amari.
Let me go, Henry. Let me go against Henry.
How you doing, Dominican Papi?
Everyone to the side.
Game. Who y'all think's winning?
Doing a lot of spades.
Be an upset.
No. I think the Dominican Papi.
Oh my God, still.
That shit ain't cute. That shit ain't cute.
He was jumping my life, I won't lie.
What was that?
Oh my goodness, Valentine! Whoa, no!
Y'all got like 30 seconds. Bro.
30 seconds. All right.
And then we get new people, bro. Alright, new team, new players.
Get it.
We got Jordan Poole reincarnated. Terribly off.
Dana was literally like everything and then ended off with red, bro.
Jesus. Nah, this is sad.
Come on, Rick Ross. Hey, bro.
I thought so too. I didn't know.
Oh, that's all.
Jesus.
Kendall go. Oh, Kendall walked up.
Oh my God, another one.
All right, cameraman, we don't pay you to glaze. Look at him, you look here real today. D1 commit. Uncle Drew.
3 full buckets in a row. Yeah, 3 full buckets in a row. How you feeling?
Shout out Baltimore, y'all.
Shout out Baltimore.
Shout out Derek Queen. You got me before we get switched seats in real life.
Oh my God.
Amari Lino.
Amari Lino. Hey. Ross.
Yeah, Mo. Oh, yeah, Mo. Oh. That starts a train. Okay, Henry.
Come on, Henry, let's go. Come on, you gotta come. Come on, Henry. Like that. Yeah.
Oh. Nah, we're tough, then. We're tough.
I don't like that.
Edit that out. It's the replay on that. Because if you really look, the rim was lopsided.
You serious, bro? You saw that, right?
It's the replay on that.
A lot of these cameraman's screen.
They didn't use him as a at all.
God! We're done. We're done. I'm paying to do this.
But go score.
No! Jesus. Oh my God. Cut that out. Cut that out.
That was
Papi, the problem is, when I came from Dominican Republic, we ain't even had that.
How you getting a...
Papi, why are there two cameras in my face? Papi, me no light.
nah.
When I was in New York, we went to the bodega, we got a Sprite.
No, so like, but you want to talk about those air balls though?
I don't want to talk about nothing.
I like this.
Fucking box ain't there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Papi, the problem is, when I was in New York, we went to the bodega, we got a Sprite.
We got to go fire him. No, they fired his cameraman.
Yeah, 2 fire, 2 cameras. Don't let them.
Okay. Okay. Move on who? I'm not the most mobile cameraman.
Vaughn understands.
That was crazy.
That was wild. Cameras is on, Zay. Show 'em who you is. Show you who you...
I should have been in there, bro.
Facts. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Let me get the back. Jesus Christ. Get out! All right, Javon. You're the least favorite to win anything at all. So how do you feel right now?
Don't gotta say it like that.
No, like rumors said, like I'm gonna be honest. He said Henry's over you. You gotta show him. I feel like if you beat Zay somehow, in some chance, you gotta call out Zay, or you gotta call out Henry.
Zay.
Yeah, if you don't got it.
Are we serious?
What?
You think you got it over you?
He got what?
To beat you right now.
I'm about to beat him.
Oh snap.
Check.
Wow.
I said it.
Who's
I
next?
think he's at 2. He's at 2.
All right, wait. I'm first.
Oh yeah, you were first.
All right.
You got any opinion on these games?
I know Zay's game very well, actually.
Okay.
Next time.
I know these games before. I played these games before. So, do you want to state your name or anything?
Jalen.
Why is he lying on camera? Okay. That guy's saying this. I won't lie. Cameraman probably shouldn't have this. You know who that is? Oh, I'm in his way. I'll snap. Oh, cameraman. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Do you practice that shot? I don't think you practice that shot at all. Okay.
Yo, look at my shit.
We got the best basketball content ever, bro.
We need somebody new.
Oh, wait, that's me. I'm in.
I see the cameraman. Yo, look at the cameraman, bro. I think the cameraman and Vaughn need a 1v1. Vaughn's been hating on him.
No! This is the camera. No, he made that.
I've been off for a good bit.
Bro, don't say that.
This side play like Nick Batum.
Okay, Nick Platoon.
If anything, I think I'm like, I'm a caramel frap.
Hey!
Crazy. We got a crazy call up.
Yeah.
Put the camera in. You can't
This is.
Alright, back to me. He's been talking crazy. I mean, I haven't told him.
The cameraman had to retire from the camera real quick.
I'm the cameraman, by the way. That's not what I do.
The wind done sold you, boy. Oh, Vaughn don't got nothing to say.
I got a drink.
Oh my God! Battle of the mid.
Want more basketball videos, You want to be out the video? If you want more content, like and subscribe. Remember that. It's Gus Squad.
Oh, that was air ball.
What do you got to say about that shot right there?
It's the win.
Kendall, how much you got?
I don't got nothing, gang.
At least play one game and turn the cameraman, bro. Let's get Ken on the court. Get Ken on the court. I got you. Got you, all right? We got Ken on the court. Who's playing? Javon, I haven't seen you play at all. Get it back on.
Think like that.
Never back down, never what? All right. No reference caught.
Right hand only.
Just like, okay.
Bucket. Oh.
Wait, why are you running? No, come back. Come back. What happened there? What happened? What happened? Camera's off, my bad, my fault.
Control is fucking crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
That's not logical.
No, don't get. No. I think Amari's game plan is run in circles and just do some cardio.
I got crazy.
So where you been? You know, Gus Squad wants to know. You haven't been here in a while. You want to know what's been going on?
Get in the bag.
In the bag. Yep. Another Gus Squad member has landed. All right.
Ratings here, we can do 5-5 now. Someone got to win the game.
All right, bet. Hey, what's your team name?
Gus and their squad. I don't know. Team Kendall versus team.
Team Bacon and Cheese.
Bacon and cheese.
Take your time though. What's your...
Hey, we're going to 12.
Bang, bang. No. On camera. Great.
running point. Wait.
Oh, baby. Good, all good.
That's why he's captain. Yo, big speed. What do you mean?
I see how this thing roll. That was the last choice.
Bro, didn't even get You get automatically not thrown to our team, cuz. Now you're doing it twice. Okay. I don't want him. Watch, Javon actually got a rebound. What the?
Is that St. James?
Oh my goodness.
I tried to fight. Try to fight through that.
Bang!
Bang! Let's go. 3-1.
Nah, you gotta stop, bro. I'm almost faster that time.
Wow.
Okay, Mom. Talk to him nice.
Oh, I spelled air ball.
What are we doing?
Got that, no worries.
No. Oh, he's top of the key.
Hey, you got me.
Good pass.
Bang, bang.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Mr. Dalton in that. Right to the let him go.
Hey.
Hold it up. Squeeze, bro.
Oh yeah, Henry.
Jesus Christ.
Come on.
Jesus Christ. Wind.
Yo. Wind.
Oh my God.
My team.
Blame me.
I'll let him have that one.
All right, back up.
You good, you good.
I just swatted.
Bro just sliding.
Nice, Josh.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah, we're getting the team.
Right here. Come on. Yo! Oh my God. Yo, it's the hair.
Bro, I'm looking tired, bro. Why?
Yes, boys.
Yes.
Where are we? Long.
Yeah, I like that form up.
This is the content you get from Gut Squad every day, every night, every weekend. This stuff, like and subscribe.
Time to let it fly.
Alright.
It might never be over. Henry.
Good pass, boy.
You're lucky. I don't know if that was on camera. No, I got it. Mike.
That's Zion. Yo, Dylan.
Yes, Henry! I needed one.
He needed that one.
You know what they call him a cone. They call him a cone.
No, it's trying to get the clip.
Because like, I was gonna do that.
Try. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.